is your response to a lot of these allegations of human rights abuses within your own country?
Yes, the problem is that the European Union offer Eritreans free political asylum in their country. So people, especially those, may go for a greener pasture. But those who have fled from this region are more than 2/3 Ethiopians and other.
I'm asking specifically.
And make sure it sound right, boys.
Ambassador Russom, I'm asking specifically about the situation in your country. And this is the forced military conscription that many say is responsible for many Eritreans wanting to leave, talking about a closed media and that the media is not open. So without talking about Ethiopia for a moment, please respond to the issue of human rights abuses in Eritrea.
You journalists are not responsible journalists. Don't make your research. The blame should have been to Ethiopia. It is the Ethiopians who are killing their own people. You don't have any report that says Eritrea kills its people. Okay? Should have come here, making your research, should have come here, reading all our releases, or our press releases and everything, and then question the right answer. We have answered to this, that it is politically motivated accusation by this so-called 3 people panel commission of inquiry on Eritrea.
So the United Nations... so allow me to give you the facts that are present, and then you can respond.
It is not a UN report.
I understand the report you're talking about, but the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees estimates that about 4,000 Eritreans flee the country every month, and that is of mid-2014.
According to my friend, what the ambassador said, we are very few people.
So do you dispute
Eritrea
this
should have
report?
been emptied of its use if there were 4,000.
So this is not fact?
Let me finish. You ask and you again interrupt.
So is it a fact or not?
Let me finish. Okay. You have asked me. Not 4,000 Eritreans cannot flee. From the day they have seen started their saying so, then Eritrea would have been emptied. We are fighting against this big neighbor because we have our use with us.
And some say that's why you have the forced military conscription, because of the threat against
800 Eritreans leave Eritrea. That is very fact. Even the European Union, even the others now have claimed that more of the people that fled in the name of Eritrea are Ethiopians themselves.
Okay, Ambassador Russom, is it your statement today that there is not, according to the Human Rights Council, continued widespread and systematic violations of human rights and fundamental freedoms?
According to the 3-panel commission of inquiry on Eritrea,
so
which have based their testimonies
I'm asking your response.
500 so-called refugees who live in Ethiopia, coerced and selected by the Ethiopians and given those data to the inquiry commission. So this we are dealing with it. We will challenge it, we will fight it, and it is not the UN, it is not the Human Rights Council that has reported this. It is the 3-person panel. One is African, one is Australian, one is American. They have said so without any verification, without any proof. So they said it is politically motivated.
Okay.
It is because
this politically motivated. Ambassador Russom, I think your point is made, and our viewers have heard you. I'd like to give you less than a minute, please, to conclude and give us
I'm very sorry. Eritreans are killing their people because of Ethiopia. Eritreans are fleeing Eritrea because of Ethiopia. I am very sad to hear. Please,
Somalis are being killed by you.